Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Slowly and steadily, all our chrysanthemum plants now have flowers. These beautiful chrysanthemum flowers make our garden so bright and colorful. What about your chrysanthemum plant? Has it bloomed yet? Winter flowers are awesome. With this, we also planted some winter vegetables in our garden. Most of you have watched our previous video. It was on how to grow tomato in your garden in small pots. But today I will tell you about a green veggie. Greens can be grown anywhere if there is an availability of sunlight. Like vegetables or fruits, these greens are not heavy feeders. These greens do not require regular fertilizing to reward you with fresh tender leaves. This can be grown anywhere like balcony, terrace garden or in your kitchen garden, even in your small pot. In this urban life, the space and the soil is very less. So if you can see, my mom has grown tomato, ginger, garlic, brinjal and these greens in the same pot. And even after this, the health of all plants are very good. Okay, so now let me tell you how you can grow spinach in your small pot like us. First of all, to grow your spinach, you need any medium, which is soil. Soil must be well drained with pH 6.5 to 7. And if possible, make sure that your soil is organic and fertile. With 50% of garden soil, my mom has mixed 50% of kitchen waste compost. If possible, sow your seeds 1 week later so that it gets full sunlight. You can buy these seeds by any trusted online shops or you can buy them with your nearby shops. Can you recognize these seeds? Those were drumstick seeds, and we will tell you how you can grow your own drumstick plants from those seeds. Now, with those seeds, make sure to soak them in water for minimum 8 to 10 hours. Then simply sow the seeds and cover with soil. Now water the soil thoroughly with the help of a watering can that has a shower nozzle. Maintain the soil moisture level until the seeds germinate and establish well. Within only 10 to 14 days, you may be able to see the germination. Spinach is among those wonderful greens high in fiber, iron, calcium, folic acid, proteins, vitamin and antioxidant. You might have all known the health benefits of spinach, but let me still tell. Good for skin, hair and bone health, reduces the risks of cancers, controls blood pressure, controls blood sugar, and it prevents constipation and maintains healthy gut. With this, we also have grown some more winter vegetables. Now I'll tell you about the fertilizer. This fertilization is optional. You can fertilize them after 1 month of sowing with any low concentrated homemade fertilizer. Here my mom has used dilute kitchen waste compost. And you only see the growth of spinach. Keep a regular check on the plant to detect the early signs of diseases and pest infestations. And if you get any sign of infestation, then pull out the diseases or weak plants. Or you can just spray 5 to 10 ml of Bioenzyme with 1 liter of water on the foliage where the infestation has been done. That's all for today. Now if you wish to, you can now grow your own spinach plant with organic fertilizers and no need to buy them anymore. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.